In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Submagic, an amazing tool that helps you edit videos faster and more professionally with features like captions, streaming, B-rolls, and more. If you would like to try Submagic for yourself, I have added the link in the video description below. Just click on it to get started. Now let's dive in and explore how everything works step by step. When you first log into Submagic, the very first screen you will see is called the dashboard. Think of this as your main control room. From here, you can access everything in just a few clicks. At the top, the dashboard gives you a warm welcome by showing your name, and right below that, you will find all the main tools you can start using immediately. On the left side of the Submagic dashboard, you will notice a menu with different options that make your editing journey easier. The first option is dashboard. Next is integration, and this option is all about connecting Submagic with other apps or platforms you already use. Imagine you want your editing process to be smoother without switching back and forth between tools. This feature makes that possible by linking them together. Then comes brand kits, and this is especially helpful if you want your videos to always look professional and consistent. Instead of adding your logo, brand colors, or font again and again for every new project, you can save them here once. After that, some magic remembers it all for you, so your branding stays the same across all your videos without any extra effort. The preset section is another time saver. Let's say you like using a specific caption style or a certain video format regularly. Instead of setting it up from scratch every single time, you can save it as a preset. Later, with just one click, you can apply that style to any video and keep things looking uniform. Finally, there is the folders option, which works just like the folders on your computer. It's here to help you stay organized. You can create separate folders for different types of projects. For example, one for your YouTube videos, another for Instagram Reels, and maybe one more for client work. Right in the middle of the Submagic dashboard, you will see the quick start section. This area is designed to give you access to the most commonly used tool, so you don't have to search around. The first tool here is generate captions. This is one of the most useful features because it automatically adds subtitles to your video. Not only does it create the text for what you are saying, but it also makes it look stylish with trendy designs and even adds relevant B-roll clips. Next, you have clip videos. Imagine you recorded a long video, but now you want to turn it into smaller, more engaging pieces for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Instead of manually cutting everything, this feature helps you split your long video into multiple short clips quickly. Then comes Get Magic Clips, which is like having an intelligent assistant. Instead of you going through the entire video and trying to find the best highlights, the AI does it for you. It automatically identifies the most engaging moments and turns them into short clips. This saves you a lot of time, especially if you work with long records and podcasts. There is also the Generate B-rolls feature, which makes your video more visually interesting. B-rolls are those extra background clips that play while you are speaking, like showing an ocean clip when you talk about the sea. Instead of you searching for stock videos and editing them in, Submagic automatically suggests and adds them to your video. Another very powerful tool is translate captions. If you want your videos to reach people in different parts of the world, this feature is a game changer. It takes your captions and translates them into other languages. So viewers who don't speak your language can still understand and enjoy your content. The eye contact feature is also a subtle but impressive tool. Often when recording, we accidentally look at the screen instead of directly at the camera, which can make it feel less personal. This feature corrects that by adjusting your video so it appears like you are maintaining eye contact with your audience. This makes your videos feel more natural and engaging. Finally, there is clean audio, which is all about sound quality. This tool cleans up your audio so that your voice sounds crisp and clear, almost like it was recorded in a professional studio. Below that, you will see the projects area. This is where all your videos are stored. For example, here I already have a demo video. You can click on any project to continue editing it, add captions, or create clips. This keeps all your work organized in one place. On the bottom left, you will see your plan details. Since this is a trial account, you will notice a limit on video uploads. You can see how many uploads you have left, and if you want more features like unlimited uploads or advanced editing, you can upgrade your plan anytime. Now that you are familiar with Submagic dashboard and the different options it offers, let's go ahead and try out its most popular feature, generate captions. To begin, I will click on the generate captions option. Once you open it, you will see a big upload box right in the middle of the screen. Here you can either drag and drop your video file directly into the box or click on the option that says browse your video to select a file from your computer. Submagic currently supports MP4 and MOV formats, which are the most common video formats. There are a couple of limits you should know about. The maximum video length you can upload is 5 minutes and the maximum file size is 2 GB. Alright, I have gone ahead and uploaded my video. As soon as it's uploaded, you will see a preview of the video right on the screen. This is helpful because it lets you double check and make sure the correct file has been selected before moving forward. Just above the video preview, there is an option called presets. Presets are basically step styles for your captions. For example, if you previously designed a custom look like choosing a particular font, color, or even a text animation, you can save that as preset. The next time you upload a video, you don't have to start from scratch. You can simply pick the preset here and Submagic will automatically apply that style to your captions. If you haven't made any presets yet, don't worry, you can always continue without it and adjust the look of your captions later. Right below the video preview, you will find the language setting. By default, it's set to US English, but you can click on the drop-down menu to change it. This step is important because it tells the AI which language your video is in. Once it knows the right language, it can generate captions that are accurate. Next, you will notice an option called multi-speaker theme. This comes in handy when your video has more than one person speaking. By turning this on, Submagic can tell the difference between different voices and format the captions accordingly. This is especially useful for things like podcast interviews or group discussions where multiple speakers are involved. Just below that, there is the translate captions option. If you would like your captions to appear in another language, you can enable this and Submagic will automatically translate them for you. This is great if you want to reach a wider audience in different parts of the world. And finally, at the very bottom, you will see the big orange generate captions button. Once you click on this, Submagic will process your video and take you straight to the main editing screen where you can review, edit and style your captions before finalizing your video. At the very top of the editing screen, you will see the main toolbar. The first option you will come across is trim. This allows you to cut or shorten your video. So if there are sections you don't need, like a long pause, a mistake, or anything extra, you can quickly trim it out and keep only the parts that matter. Next is the caption tab, which is already selected by default. This is where you can refine your captions to make sure they are accurate and also give them a style that matches your video's vibe. So Magic provides a variety of caption styles for you to choose from. For example, if I select this style here, you can see it instantly gets applied to my video, giving the captions a more polished and eye-catching look, right? On the right hand side of the screen, you will see the video preview and optimization panel. This is where you can actually watch your video with all the edits applied in real time. Just below the preview, there is a timeline that lets you scrap through the video and check different sections so you can make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Next to the preview, you will find several customization tabs. The Colors tab allows you to adjust the overall look of your video by applying filters or tweaking visual styles. The Brand tab is really helpful if you want to keep your videos consistent. You can add your logo, watermark, or other branding elements so that every video feels professional and recognizable. Under the Audio tab, you can add background music or sound effects. The Cover option is where you choose the thumbnail image for your video. And then there is the AI tab, which offers smart features like generating summaries or applying automated enhancements to save you time. Another option on the toolbar is B-roll. This feature lets you add extra footage, images, or overlays on top of your main video. It's super helpful when you want to illustrate what you are saying, show supporting visuals, or simply make your content more dynamic and interesting. Finally, up in the top right corner, you will see two very important buttons, Save and Export. If you click Save, your project will be stored so you can come back later and continue editing whenever you want. If you're happy with everything and ready to share your video, you can click Export. This will render your video with all the captions and edits included. And that's it. You have just seen how easy it is to edit your videos with Submagic. If you want to try out Submagic for yourself, I've added the link in the video description below. Just click on it and start creating. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what feature of Submagic you are most excited to use. I will see you in the next video.